So, paano? Mag-start agad?
Yeah.
So, ito ang first
This is my gift.
gift. Ang something comfy. Sino mo na? Ikaw?
Samay tayo, ganun.
So, so sige. Sweater.
Okay.
Feeling ko sweater. Sweater to, men. Sweater. Ay, ano? Cute.
Something comfy.
Pagtulog.
Feeling ko,
What's that?
unan. Ay, hindi.
Dayan ka pa. Kaway pagpake pa simbado.
Yeah. Oh, I like it.
Really good.
Yeah. May partner na ako dun sa ano ko. Kasi may lipstick. So,
yan po ang
that's
aming
it.
first gift. Something comfy.
Yeah, and see you
See you next Sunday.
Sunday. Bye. You have to make your own sunshine, but not the sky's open.
Hindi ka mag-imod.
My Lord, never felt like you the one. But now the sky is open. But you said maybe it's alright.
You want that?
Need.
Ha? Something you need ba? Okay. Something you need. Okay.
Something you need.
So, something you need. Ano sa'yo?
What do you need? Here, Ali.
What is that?
Ta-da!
Sana all. Oh, hindi.
Why? Tada! Because you need facial wash na. Ubus na yung facial wash.
Buy one, take one. Buy one, take one, guys. Okay.
Deep moisturizing. Kasi kailangan nyo ng deep cleaning.
Ako naman, ito.
God!
Yung sarap. Sana, di ba?
Oh my God! I want this! Saan to? Saan mo binili?
Sano?
Had all. Yeah. Nasa kanya na lahat. But I love this! Oh my God!
Okay, so bumili ako ng ng panda. Pink.
Pink pa gusto ko. Pink ba favorite ko?
Walang purple eh, so malapit ang pink. Wow! Diba, may tandayan ka na?
Yeah, yes. Yes, naman.
Okay, so anong last natin? Something
I will po.
Yung
Oh my
pang-
God. Ay!
gift? Anong last gift natin? Something
Ano ka pa yun? Something.
something useful.
Yeah.
Ikaw muna.
Something image. Tada!
Oh, bakit ka naman ganyan? Uy guys, ang ganda ng power bank. Feeling 10,000 mAh. So kailangan namin na triple C. Ayan, triple C. Para sa China. Magagamit ko to sa China.
Saan ka punta?
Pupunta kami China, guys.
Tira mo.
Dito pa ang price, guys. Oh. Ay,
Something ay...
Reko.
Kasi may kinahinigat na. Shit. Sarap.
Somehow.
Yeah! I need this
Ano yan?
in our trip.
Heat tech, guys. Para sa... Sana malamig sa China para magamit niya.
Yeah. Na-sprain pa nga.
Reko, guys. Na-extend yung kamay ko, guys.
Excited.
Okay, tapos na ang aming
3 weeks.
4.
4 weeks.
Ikaw 3, ako 4. Tatlo lang gift. Pero 4 talaga yun.
4-week
May utang pa siya sa akin.
challenge.
Before Christmas. 4 week before Christmas
Yeah.
challenge. Bahala na kayo.
Yeah.
But,
See you guys next
see you
time.
guys.
Bye!
Bye.
Siyempre, kakat mo na yun.
Bubo